Hello everyone, welcome to Spoken English and Chinese class. We're going to learn how to change subjects in certain sentences. Let's start. 大家好，欢迎来到英语和中文口语课。我们即将学习如何在某些句子中改变主语。让我们开始吧。Now we need to practice talking about some fruits in the first lesson. 苹果 I is 我 have is 有 An apple is 一个苹果 I have an apple 我有一个苹果 I is 我Have is 有 Red apple is 红苹果 I have a red apple 我有一个红苹果 The apple is 苹果 Delicious or it's very good is 很好吃 Very good 很好 The apple is delicious 苹果很好吃I is 我 Want to buy is 想买 Many is 很多 Apples is 苹果 I want to buy many apples 我想买很多苹果 So is 所以 I is 我 Planting is 种了 A lot of is 很多Apple tree is 苹果树 So I planted a lot of apple trees. 所以我种了很多苹果树 Beginners of Chinese will have difficulty when combining the two forms of pinyin and simplified Chinese characters. So we only pay attention to pinyin so that it can be easier to learn for those who are familiar with Latin letters. Let's put together what we have learned into a paragraph. I have a red apple. The apple is delicious. I want to buy many apples. So I planted a lot of apple trees. 我有一个红苹果，苹果很好吃。我想买很多苹果，所以我种了很多苹果树。Let's stop here. The next lesson will talk about using similar sentences for other fruits. Don't forget to click like and subscribe if you like it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.